Hi, we're here today to talk about these 3 Wynns machines that can benefit your workshop. This machine here is a Wynns TranSERVE machine. It can replace all the oil in the transmission. Something that would normally take 45 minutes to an hour, you can get down to 10 minutes and you get a complete drain and fill. This is the Wynns MultiSERV machine. It has 4 features: cleans injectors on petrol and diesel cars, does upper cylinder cleaning on petrol and diesel, does turbo cleaning, and also cleans DPF. Another one of the features is you can clean injectors while on the car. You can simply hook it up and within half an hour you can have those injectors nice and clean. So this machine here is a Wynns PowerFLUSH machine. It can flush all the coolant out of your cooling system. It can take an hour job back to a 10-minute job and get the exact right amount of coolant to the right ratio in the vehicle. All in all, these 3 machines could add value, efficiency, and add real good bottom line to your workshop while doing a fantastic job for your customers' cars. Contact your sales rep for an in-house demo today.